In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting with a color scale in Google Sheets, which will visually enhance your data analysis and presentation. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet and identify the data range you are looking to format. Selecting your data is the key first step. Simply click and drag your mouse to highlight the cells you wish to apply the color scale to. Whether it's a large data set or just a small collection of numbers, make sure you include all the relevant cells to get the most accurate visual representation. Once your data is selected, turn your attention to the top menu and click on the Format option. This will open up a drop-down menu where a variety of formatting choices are available. Since we're focusing on conditional formatting today, go ahead and click on Conditional Formatting. This action will open the Conditional Format Rules pane on the right side of your screen, where you can really start to see the magic happen. With the pane open, direct your focus to the Color Scale tab. It is here that you have the opportunity to bring your data to life through color. Click on Color Scale, and you'll be presented with several formatting options. The beauty of this feature is its flexibility. Even if you're new to conditional formatting, the presets are user-friendly and quite intuitive. You can choose from a variety of pre-made color scales which automatically set colors for minimum, midpoint, and maximum values in your selected dataset. If you prefer a more customized appearance, Google Sheets also allows you to manually set the colors. You can pick your preferred colors for the minimum, midpoint, and maximum values, providing you full control over your data's visual output. This level of customization lets you highlight important trends or data points in a way that is most meaningful for your analysis or presentation goals. After you've selected your preferred color scale settings, simply click Done at the bottom of the pane. This finalizes your choices and applies the formatting to your dataset. Thanks to Google Sheets, the transformation is instant. You'll notice your data now carries a visual gradient, effectively highlighting variations and making it easier to interpret at a glance. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a vivid and informative color scale to your Google Sheets data. This technique is particularly useful for showcasing insights, identifying patterns, and helping your audience quickly grasp the findings of your analysis. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering Google Sheets and taking your data skills to the next level. Until next time, happy data analyzing.